Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for Central Chester County in upstate South Carolina, South Central York County in upstate South Carolina, East Central Union County in upstate South Carolina until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 14 miles southwest of Chester, or near Carlisle, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Chester State Park and Lowry's around 9:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Richburg around 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this dangerous thunderstorm include Leeds, Cornwall, and Edgewater. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Chester, Union, and York. Tornado watch number 17.